Böyle dedi.
Fruit and vegetables supermarket here in Samarkand. Lati, I'm Domingo. Yes.
Hello, noodles.
Yeah, Philippines. Hello. Yeah. Where did you get this catfish?
Burger?
Okay, video.
Okay.
You say. Yeah.
Name.
Domingo.
Friend Domingo. My name Zio Bigo. Okay.
Buying in this market is you should have make a bargain. Like the Japanese tourist bought for $5 and I bought it only for $2. So if you're buying with any kind of the here in Central Asia in the market, you should make some negotiation because for a tourist price is totally different for the locals. We were lost and we ended up in the graveyards. You see a lot of limousine in this country. What? This hostel had fig trees. Eat all you can. It's free and it's very, very tasty. Wow. A fig tree. You could see the fruit. I could eat anything I want. You know that fig trees in the Bible. Nutritious.